Hi guys, it's Harrison here and welcome to Trend Signal's Trade of the Day. Today's trade is on the Euro Great British Pound. As you can see, this is on our S4 strategy as we had a downwards facing arrow appear on our chart at 6 p.m. So we entered this trade at the close of the candle, which was 0 spot 88.80. As you can see this in the top left here. And we actually had a pip target of 15 pips, and we worked this out by taking away our spread of 2 pips from the ATR of 17 in the top here. This giving us a target price of 0 spot 88.65. So if you'd like to see how we place trades like this and others, please do come along to one of our webinars. Our next webinar is actually the 9th of January at 7 p.m.
If you would like more information about trading the right way, Trend Signal is giving you the opportunity to see and hear about its services live at a free online seminar. Take a look at the Trend Signal website for the latest events and to book your free place.